Okay, so I am going to use this base 10 block virtual manipulative for my project, and I'm going to focus on the standard for kindergarten, operations and algebraic thinking, standard 1, and it talks about representing addition and subtraction problems with objects, fingers, mental images, drawings, and sounds, etc. And I'm going to focus specifically on objects, or in this case, virtual objects. So let me show you how this works a little bit. So you have the screen, and with each of these, it has the different blocks you can click on, and if you click on them, you have one pop up. So this one is a 1000, and it shows up over here. This one is in 100, and you can see it's adding on right here. This is a 10, and this is a 1. And then there's a nice clear button that clears it all out. And if you're having the kids do this by themselves, you can get them started by having them press this button called Show a Problem. And it will say something like, use blocks to show 1. So 1, it matches. And then if they are a little OCD, or if they just like things looking nice like me, they can move it around however they want. And then you can clear it, and then you can say next problem, and it will say show 4. And then they can click 4. And I don't know why, but they kind of go all over the place, but again, you can turn these in any way you would like. So there's 4, and they're kind of lined up. Let's do a few more. So 72. So they know that they don't have quite 100, so they'll just do 7 of these. 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of order, and give them some sense. And then 2, and then it shows over here that you have 72 blocks, so you know. So let's do one more, and then I will make up some math problems. So 237. Ooh, we are getting fancy. So we click the 200 twice for 200, and we line them up. And 37, I'll do 3. Line those up as well. And then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They have no sense to how we put this on here. And then you can check yourself, and it says 237 on the side. So that's just to get kids familiar with the program itself, but if you wanted them to work through problems or something, you could have them use a separate piece of paper that has the problems on it, and you could say something like, what is 100 plus like 23 or something like that. So you'll have 100, and you click on it, and then they can add the 23 in. And then it gives them the answer over here. And that's just some ways they could use it. It's actually a pretty good resource. And that is it.